As a judge of the Constitutional Court, you have strived to give voice to the powerless. You have passed strong directions on fairness in criminal trials and on the need for speedy justice. You have safeguarded the rights of victims of sexual crimes. In a judgment reported in 2023 4 SCC 298, you set aside an order of the Bombay High Court quashing a criminal prosecution against a doctor affiliated with the girls' hostel for his failure to report several cases of sexual assault of young residents hailing from tribal areas. In this judgment, you observed insightfully, and I quote, "Non-reporting of sexual assault against a minor child despite knowledge is a serious crime, and more often than not, it is an attempt to shield the offenders of the crime of sexual assault," close quote. In another recent judgment, along with Justice Sanjay Karol, you recognize the rights of women for scheduled tribe communities to inherit property, despite not being covered by the Hindu Succession Act, and urged Parliament to make changes to the law to safeguard rights of tribal women to inheritance. You have also been a part of several seminal constitutional decisions, all involving changing legal, political, and ethical conundrums, such as the Jallikattu decision balancing animal rights and cultural rights, the Anup Baranwal decision on the independence of the Office of the Election Commissioner, and the Common Cause's decision on the right to die with dignity. We remember you for your simplicity, characteristic, pleasant demeanor, and your incisive mind that sees through the volumes before you with discernment and fairness. The fact that you adorn an elevated platform in court is not reflected in your manner in court, which is empathetic and patient. Your colleagues and staff speak of you, your constant encouragement and strongly affectionate nature, which you will always be remembered for. You are known for your love for cricket and soccer, regardless of the team, a value that you imbibed while on the bench of being an absolute sport. As a lover of cricket, you played your innings with a straight bat, bowled no googlies, and always played by the rules of the game, which is what all lawyers want. I wish you all the very best for your next innings.